Whenever you're cleaning this, the hydrogen catcher, don't use scrubby pads to scrub it because you're going to leave little microscopic scratches, and those little microscopic scratches will eventually be filled in with something. You want this to be smooth and slick as long as you can. Those brushes that I use, they're very gentle. That's why I use them, to keep this nice and smooth. I've seen people who've been scrubbing with the worst stuff ever, probably stuff that they use for their pans, and scrubbing on them, and all they're really doing is breaking up the plastic, and you don't want to do that. So hopefully this was helpful. Keep track of how many you've done from the top to the bottom. So what you're doing is you're cleaning from the top. You put the pipe cleaner in, and you start going back and forth with it all the way to the other side. And as you're running water, anything that's in there, and this is very gentle. This is not going to scratch the plastic. This is not going to cause any kind of damage. You want these things to last, and you can either do this the way I'm doing it right now, no running water. And you can go basically all the way around. All right, so now that we've cleaned those, the outside needs cleaning too. Now, that can be done with a simple paper towel. The crevices here can get a little dirty, so you can kind of just wipe each one of these down. All the way around we go. Also, you can wipe down the surface area on the outside. And on the inside. And interestingly enough, this was dirtier than anything else on the machine. I can actually see dirt. So this is floating on the top. So now I can just go ahead and rinse it off and go on to the next part.